Welcome back, everyone. Well, just in time. Good morning, Alicia. Good morning, Tommy. Just about time, way in time for the New York session. Well, don't expect anything, because I don't think there's going to be like a huge chunk of volume in the market, but you know, anything can happen. I should be making a trade, one or two at least, but we might gonna have to wait until the open. And look at that, since the London session, so since the London stream, nothing really happened. We are in this box, and what's the range? 86. Oh my god, 20 pips, almost said pips. 20 points. 20 points range, everyone. That is very, very weak. So I don't expect anything special. I tried to scalp with this so-called new system, fool around in the morning, but well, nothing really happened. Took a few trades here and there. Otherwise, it's pretty calm. I don't see anything special. We still have a 5-minute gap up there. The midnight level has not been reclaimed. Not even the Sunday lows. So, pretty much ranged down since the beginning of the New York kill zone. We are ranged down. If I look at the bodies of the candles, most likely 72, like 10 points. 10 points, that's the range. One of the best thing would be to do right now is just to skip the session, but let's wait for the market open. Maybe we will see something. Hopefully we can see some improvement. Okay, and what else do we have? Just a minute. Let me check. What do we have? Okay. Just a second. All right. Just some settings. So, anybody had some trades or anything? Marco, hey. Bas, good morning. Hey, good to see you guys. Because, you know, just a quick reminder, this is typically not something you guys want to trade. So, please do not trade in these sessions because it's just not worth it. Okay? Just a second. All right. All right. Oh, come on. What's up with this? All right, it's working now. So, I wish I can tell you guys anything. So we were playing with this regression channel indicator, which is quite interesting, even on a slow day like this. Could have identified a few good trades here. Just only for a few points here and there. But since we have no volume, it's really useless. Otherwise, well, not much is going on. Let's look at ES. Oh my god, ES looks even more terrible. Let me update this chart. Look at ES. ES is actually like, honestly, this is just one of the least interesting days to trade. What can we do? It's boring. Good morning, Mario. I had an Asia session 5:30 buy from 55. No way. That's good. That's good job, Bass. That's very good. Congratulations there. Oh my god, look at ES. It's basically unplugged. Nothing. Zero. Nada. Niet. Nishta. That's it. Absolutely nothing. Maybe even Bitcoin moves better than this whole thing. No, not even that.
You get Susan to cover for me?
Oh, I'm just watching a movie. All right. What else? What else? What else? I left with one cookie from yesterday. I'm gonna eat that. That's for sure. I just watched a couple of videos from Alpine Trader about Quant Tower. Nice. Great, great. You know, Quant Tower is great. Hey, Supham. I can do a little bit of videos about Quant Tower and some useful tips how to go with it, I guess. Shouldn't be a bad idea. I think so. The official kill zone starts at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sorry, yeah, well, the kill zone, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, but you didn't miss anything because, you know, this was 7 a.m. here. As you see, nothing. Even the candles are gapped out because there's no volume, so I can do that. I have some good tips and tricks with Quant Tower. I think I should do that. Hey Prasad, how's it going? Doing okay. having a slow day, it seems like. So nothing special. Yeah. I was just saying that maybe this is one of those days when, you know, we shouldn't really push the button. We'll see what the market open brings us, you know, and we'll go from there. I mean, London was open, and we're gonna have a half day open in New York, so no, markets are really slow because of Memorial Day, and London was closed as well. No major news, so yeah, you never know. Exactly, Jacqueline. You know, if volume kicks in, we could be seeing some good movements. I'd like to see the 5-minute gap maybe being taken up there. So we'll see. Yeah, Marco. Still bullish. Yeah, I'm still bullish too. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, so let's just see the 1 hour real quick, okay? So NQ made a new high last week, and it was beautiful. Then a huge order block. Look at this. A huge order block went down even more. And you know, guys, I always tell, like, this is my own personal perspective, but these kind of order blocks from time to time like to be revisited or being taken out. Black Beer Machine, hey. So these are like to be revisited, taken out, and in my trading style, I respect these order blocks because they are very, very good targets for price. Just do some back testing, you know. I mean, just scroll back the chart, pick a year, whichever random date, and you don't have to go higher than 1 hour. Just check out the 1 hour order blocks. Let's dance. Yes, Abak. So just check out the 1 hour order blocks in the history, and just all you have to do is just, you know, outline them and go forward, and you will see that the most beautiful order blocks are going to be revisited and most likely gonna get taken out. And by taken out I mean like sorry, I sneezed. By taken out I mean completely destroyed in this case. Just check it out. You will see these kind of scenarios every month, almost every week though. And this one is no exception in my book for this one. So I'm bullish. I would like to see this go higher. Maybe not today, maybe. But still, maybe it's going to happen in the Asia session. I want to see this order block being broken. What happens there after that, I don't know. But price should go into that area somewhere above the 960s. And overall, I wouldn't be surprised if we would go up and target the 20K. Hey Bob, no news. I think there is nothing. Let me check it. Absolutely no news. So pretty quiet. Yeah, holidays are terrible. There you go, Will. Welcome. Holidays are absolutely terrible. By the way, guys, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to see more subscribers. I'm so happy that Friday we managed to go above 2K. This is an awesome achievement. I do like that. Thank you so much for everyone. And also, don't forget, until Thursday, you have time to get the Apex discount for 90% and the BULENOX. Also, My Funded Futures has the 30% down for new customers on expert accounts. Don't sleep on it. So, bank holiday in the US, so be careful. Exactly. exactly. I think the closing hour is going to be 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am not going to be here for the PM session. I mean, not even for the lunch hour. My plan is maybe, I mean, we're going to wait for the stock exchange time. I'm sorry, there's no stock exchange, but we're going to see how is it going to go until 11 a.m. So I think the majority of the moves should be done until 11 a.m., 11:30. That's the max. After that, I think volume is going to dry up slowly. Top G, hey there. Memorial Day, yeah. Exactly. If anyone wants to catch me live stream, nice. Yeah, there you go, Top G. I am going to check you out, definitely. Let us know. I mean, I'm definitely going to check it out. I'm curious about your strategy, so I want to see that. There you go. There you go. I will do that. The culture climb. Hey there, DC, the world above. Welcome, guys. G card. My mind playing tricks on me. What kind of tricks? JX, by the way, welcome everyone. Wiser the Mustang Kimchi. Hey, good morning, Tay. Good to see everyone. Well, as I said, nothing really is gonna happen. But we'll try to do the best. We will try to do the best. Judah Barak, hey, thank you for the subscription. Good to see you. So, look at this. I mean, since the London session, yeah, markets are closed today. So that's why I'm saying, like, I'm gonna give it a shot. If maybe some volume is gonna pour into the market until like maximum 11 a.m. I don't think so. I would like to see price to go above 900, but is it really worth it, guys? You know, maybe. So we'll see if we catch a move. I don't know. Gold is moving a little. Let's check gold. Well, yeah, gold did move a little. That's true. Repriced a very tiny small gap up there on the 1 hour. Nothing else above. So I could also imagine if this one would like to come back down. Keep an eye on it for later. Yeah, gold leading, Bitcoin in front of gold. I was playing around with Bitcoin trades, and I actually do like this. I know, I take it back. I'm not saying I like it, but it's interesting. These linear regression channels. As far as I'm concerned, I mean, you still have to do the same job. You have to determine the drawn liquidity. In this case, bullish, so could have taken a long here, maybe 77. So the problem is the range. We are such in a small range. It's just not worth it, you know. It's not worth to push it because it's such a small range. So we have no other choice but to wait, as usual. Not much happened now. Anyone took a trade today? Most likely from tomorrow I'm gonna be trading with Take Profit Trader, I think. I mean, as an extra. Just good morning. Very well, Tom. Diabetes type 2, junk food. I know. Man, thank you for reminding. New system says NQ is going up in the next 5-10 minutes. Well, it's not a new system. I'm just testing this, if that's what you're referring, but nothing else. Stay true. I got a trade day account Friday. Nice. You can have 10 or 11, but at least 10. Again, you can have 10 BULENOX master accounts. Your system. I know. So your system is saying going up in the next 5-10 minutes. You know what? I might gonna take you up on that. Sorry. Dum, 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 dum. All right. Take Profit Trader has a trading drawdown on funded accounts. I think I read. Yes, they have, Sam. That's true. Troubles come, but they do pass. Yes. So about Take Profit Trader, I know on the funded account they have an intraday trading drawdown, and we talked about it many times that I don't care about that because I trade very small. And on a funded account, you should be trading small, and there is no daily drawdown limit. But on the evaluation phase, there is an end of day trading drawdown, but there is a daily limit as well. But the catch, and this is the biggest and only negative thing that is really negative on my end from Take Profit Trader, is if you breach the daily limit, you blown the whole evaluation account. So it's not like at TOPSTEP or whatever prop firm that uses daily stop out level. If you breach your daily drawdown limit, the account is blown. So you have to make sure to stop before you reach the daily drawdown limit. Rhythmic Trader can help you with that. So you can set it up your own. So be careful with Take Profit Trader in the evaluation phase. Once you get to the funded level, there is no drawdown, no daily limit, okay? But the payout policy is actually absolutely great. Absolutely great. You can take out money or profit any day from your account, anytime, any day. But gotta make sure that you're taking above $250, because if you take below $250, there's going to be a $50 penalty fee. That's it. So if you ask for example $240, you're going to get $190. All right. But you can use it basically as a cash machine if you're good and you're constant with your day trading process. You can have multiple payouts, and that's a good thing. Can I trade 10 BULENOX MA at one time? Yeah, sure. You can copy trade them. That's how simple. Take profit trader is good. Can you reset your funded account? Yes, you can reset your funded account, by the way. You have 3 chances to reset the funded account, although it's very expensive, but I can tell you how much. There is a reset fee, and it's somewhere. So pro account, can I reset? So here it is. We feel that. What's the price? I don't know. The fee will be less than but more than 100%. Test reset. Okay, there's no exact fee. I think it's very expensive. It's like a few $100s to reset the funded account. So only do that if you're extremely sure what you're doing and if you have tested out your edge very much. It's always something with these firms. You can't do this over there. Can't do this. So yeah. I have a past account to take profit. I need. Oh, there you go. So for the 150K account, it's almost $1,500 to reset your funded account. And I think that is a little bit too much, actually. So trade day is just better than take profit too. No penalties for withdrawal and no losing account for daily loss stuff. I understand. Fair, I completely respect that. That's why I'm saying you can choose whatever you want. You know, trade day is good as well. Although you can only have one evaluation account and one funded account. Okay, so just one account at all times. Just one account. So it actually encourages the trader to be more consistent, you know, more precise, practice better risk management, which is somewhere is good. Yeah. So I absolutely understand what you guys are saying here. I can also, the only thing I can say once more next to take profit trader is that the activation fee is included in the monthly price. So with the discount, I think it's now $102 or something like that on a 50K, for example. And it has the activation fee built into the price. I'd rather start a new combine. Yeah, it's a little bit expensive. So, but you still have the chance if you really don't. For example, for some traders who say that money is not an issue, but there was some kind of a mistake, and you know yourself, you are very skilled, and you can do this. Maybe you can reset the funded account, but yeah, just be careful. Be careful. And hopefully TOPSTEP will come up with some better and better news. It seems like you can have 5 XFA accounts in the future. I don't know which day from. Is it from next month or is it active right now? I don't know. So tell us about spike strategy. Print to leave is asking this. When YouTube take entry, when you YouTube, you take entry over breakout without waiting for retest. Do you trade? No, I don't. So that would be kind of a breakout strategy. I don't really trade like that, and on a funded account, it's especially dangerous. Of course, you can trade for breakouts, but yeah. But I don't really trade like that. Maybe I should. I don't know. I know some people who are really doing very good with that, but yeah. Break plus fake out. I mean, it's kind of a strategy like the Judas swing or something like that. For example, if this would be the London Open, and this would be Asia low, which it is. So this was like London kill zone started here, and you know, it went down, took out these lows here, new Asia low. Then you can say that, okay, this is a fake out, and it goes right back up there. Yes, you can do that. Break plus fake. Hey there, Ralph. Or Ref, sorry. Ref the Great. I did find out that you can edit that triangle in Quant Hour to show midpoint line. Oh, really? Nice. That's awesome. So, are you talking about the rectangle? That is cool, actually. Inside center, that's text alignment style. Oh, middle line, there you go. I haven't checked it normally. There you go. So that's the midline. Yeah, so there you go. That's the midline here. It was right in front of my nose, and I didn't and I didn't check on it. Yeah, for quick scalp, yeah. There was about 800 plus for me for reset. Oh yeah. It varies. I'm going to so I'm gonna give my chance to go with the new evaluation account if I blow the take profit account. But I'm excited to trade with them, especially if I can reach the payout level. Then after that, the way I would use Take Profit Trader is I would take a payout as much as I can. So I'm not saying like I would accumulate the profits for an extra thousands of dollars, but I would take out every, for example, $500 or $600 I can, right? Why not? It's actually would be providing a constant cash flow. So that's my plan with Take Profit Trader. Anyway, I don't think there's not much gonna happen. I mean, I think there's not much gonna happen. Maybe until like 10:30 there should be something. Hey! Nalebomo, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Welcome, welcome. Make daily pay with me. What? I like the name. Is BULENOX good and reliable? As far from my experience, although I'm still building up funded accounts with them. I have 2 funded accounts, but I have a good friend, Methodical Man, who is also streaming every day. He had multiple payouts with them, and I know another guy from Discord. So payouts are going normally. Everything is very good. Support was very good to me. Everything was extremely well working. So I am satisfied with them. They don't have trade await though. I know many of you guys like trade await. You can trade Ninja Trader, Quantower, Rhythmic. But so far I had 0 issues, and thank God I'm funded with them. And I try to build up my account. So this is an Apex funded account. And where's my BULENOX? There is one BULENOX account which is funded. I only have $574 on it. And what else? I have another funded account with them. Still only above 50k a little bit. I told you guys many times, but I had to restart my whole journey in April because I've blown up several accounts. And just another add-on, my neighbor, the lawnmower man, started to cut the grass again. So last week he did 3 times, now he's starting over. Just saying. Dark Cloud, hey there. Do you pay an extra? Yes, yes, you pay. Yeah, exactly. Let me close the window. Okay, much better. So yes, you pay, definitely. But it's not worth to buy more than 100k account, I think. I thought you were going to say he started trading. No, not yet. Maybe he will. Judith, welcome. Good to see you. Push the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Giveaways are coming. I'm sorry I'm behind schedule, but it's gonna happen. Sahid, good to see you. Looking sharp? Yeah, trying to. Ready to make some money. But, you know, don't have high hopes for today because it's gonna be an extremely slow day. This is the 5-minute chart on NQ, and obviously, who wants to trade in these conditions? So what I did, and we were fooling around in the London session, made a few trades here with the linear regression channel. So yeah. Your mic is good. Can't hear because I closed the window. I closed the window. What's better to think in percentage in USD for trade? Well, you know, print to leave. That's a very good question. Percentage or money? I think percentage is better. So, yeah. For example, on a 50k funded account, I always say I should not risk more than like 0.1 or 0.2%. I know it's not much, but hey, if you can make a monthly 2 to 3%, you're changing the world. József, servus, fellow Hungarian trader is here. Nem olvastam ilyet, de utána nézek, ez új info. József is just saying that there may be a free reset on BULENOX. I think what you... szerintem azt olvastad, hogyha előved a számlát, akkor a következő hónapnál az újraszámlázáskor ingyenesen, ami nem ingyenes persze, resetelik a számládat. Szerintem így, mert mások is így írják, hogy free reset, ha rebuild vagy, de mindegy. So maybe the free reset comes, I mean, with the new rebill price if your account is blown. July 5th going to be starting channel. July 5th we'll be starting a channel joining my friends methodical man. Oh. Nice. That will be awesome, Ref. Let's go. So, yeah. Reset does not change the experiment. Yes, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Reset is not changing the billing period. If a ruling qualification is violated for next rebate, the account will be reset for free on the specific, on the specific billing date. Moreover, the completed trading days will remain. The free reset option is only available on the billing date. If the trade, hát pontosan ennyi. Tehát pontosan azt írták, amit mondtam, hogy ingyenesen resetelik neked, amikor rebill-re fogják a számládat tenni. Ez egy marketing kifejezés, de ügyesen belerakták. Tehát magyarul azt mondják, hogy resetelik, amikor újra leszel számlázva. Okay, do you know the reason why some countries are ineligible? Well, I have no idea. There is an office in the US. Igen, ehhez kell. Igen. Első fázist, persze. Kell tehát a free resethez kell egy aktív számla, amit nem cancelbe nyomtál, igen. So, I don't know what's the reason for making some countries ineligible. I'm actually which one is that? Let me check that. Because everybody is very much concerned about it. So the office is the OFAC, Office of Foreign Assets Control. So this is a US government department. So this is the department that is actually making the decision of which countries are usually subject to this. So, Department of U.S. Department of Treasury, Office of Foreign Assets Control. So, the list here on this website is actually the one that says which countries are not good for trading and business with the United States. And that's why these prop firms are making these decisions. Igen, tehát ha nem csináltad meg a PA számlát, és elbuktad, akkor újra számlázáskor reseteli neked. Ha profitban vagy, akkor nem fogja resetelni. Ha profitban vagy, akkor nem fogja. De ez a minimum, amit én elvárok egy prop firmtől. Tehát nehogy már nekem újra számlázzanak, és ne legyen resetelve a számlám. Tehát be is cseszne, el is küldeném őket a picsába. Hogyha nem resetelnék a számlámat, újra számláznak, és el van lőve a számla. Tehát ez alap, tehát az elvárás. Ők meg marketingre használják. Jó, ingyen reseteljük, hát még szép. Elvárom, hogy reszeteljék a számlámat, ha már kiszámláznak. Justin Wright, hey there! Nem ingyen. Elbukod a számládat, és letelik a 30 nap, és akkor fogják reszetelni. Félreérted, szerintem elbeszélünk egymás mellett. Biztos elbeszélünk. Elbukod a evaluation számlát, eltelik a 30 nap, és a következő kiszámlázáskor reszetelik neked a számlát, ha nem mondtad le az előfizetést. Ez az ingyenes reszet. Csak ők ezt így állítják, hogy ingyenes reszet. De amúgy nem ingyenes, mert fizetsz érte. Na. Azt mondom, hogy ez nem ingyenes, ez csak egy marketing fogás. Sorry guys, just a little bit Hungarian here to help my friend here. Sounds so cool. My payout is still under review. I'm reading some traders have to prove their trading strategy. Justin Wright, they said they're behind schedule and they are going to approve this week the majority of them. Because everybody sent payout requests on the 16, 17, whatsoever. And they said on the Discord as well that they are going to update everything and they're going to be finished until the approval period. And I know it's frustrating. I feel you there, but it should be okay. They said everybody is going to get approved who were not gambling. That's what they said. Yeah, they are behind because they have a lot of payouts and accounts to approve. But it's usually, they also said that they're trying to work on the time and going to, print to leave as something. Average day trader make 3% growth per month. That sounds not attractive. Trust me, print to leave 2-3% per month after some time on a funded account. Trust me, it's going to be huge. Right now, you want to make 10-20%, which is not sustainable on the long term. Whatever you hear or see, trust me. Apex is a Discord. Yeah, Top G. Need to start vlog to learn. Yeah. No worries. Yeah. So if you can make, for example, you have like $200,000 in funded. Okay, it can be 450Ks or 200K, whatever. I'm just talking about 200,000 in funded, and you make like 3%. Don't tell me like that number is so bad. Apparently, Top G, I didn't know that as well. I thought they don't have a Discord, but they have. I don't know. Apex is US based. I think they're in Texas. I think. Maybe I'm wrong. Are they in Texas? Texas. Let me check. They should be down there. Bum, 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 bum. Apex Trader Funding Inc. Corporation. Austin, Texas, yeah. Austin, Texas. There you go. So if we have a problem, everybody just write to Justin, right? And he's going to take care of every one of us. He goes in to Austin, Texas. He's going to take care of everything. Yes, better than keeping in bank account, which gives single digit growth annually, but giving market. Yeah, I can't help you. Of course you can. You're 2 hours away. You can go for their headquarters and complain if we have some issue. We'll see. And no, there's gonna be no issue. I'm not worried, by the way, so I'm actually super calm about everything around Apex. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum. What you can do until the end of the month is grab those discounted accounts, because I'm not sure if the 90% sale is gonna come back soon. I don't know, but I would not bet on it. Actually, there's a rumor going on X and some Reddit forums too that these prop firms should be raising their prices. You start your restaurant. That's an awesome goal, man. I pass keeping past 4 or 5 Apex. Nice. Very good. Very, very good plan, Top G. That is absolutely enough. Yeah. So Joseph is asking if he bought the account for 18 bucks, then what's going to be the rebuild price? I think you bought it with trade weight. I'm gonna talk in Hungarian just for a second. Ha 18-ért vetted, akkor valószínűleg trade weight előfizetéssel vetted. Én ritmikkel veszem, az $16. Ritmikkel a második hónap $33. Trade weight-tel lehet, hogy 38 vagy $40 lesz, igen. Ja, várj, BULENOX-nál. BULENOX az azt hiszem lifetime, de mindjárt megnézem. So, BULENOX, I'm not sure if BULENOX gives you the lifetime, but let me check. If you go to the checkout page, it should be writing, because until now, BULENOX were having the 90% sale only for the first month. And by the way, BULENOX has 250k accounts for sale as well. For $16, guys. BULENOX has a sale for the 250k accounts for $16. But I'm going to show you the problem. The activation fee is the problem. The 260k account activation fee is $898 on BULENOX. So I would say the maximum account you should go with BULENOX is the 100k or the 50k. The most popular one is the 50k account, but the maximum you should go with is the 100k. All right. Anyway, where was I? Totally forgot what I meant to say. End of day. Okay. Ha rámegy a dashboardodra, akkor ki kéne írja, hogy mennyi a recurring month. Tehát oda kéne, hogy legyen írva a dashboardon, hogy mennyi a következő hónap. How long have you been funded, Tom, and what is your best strategy? Sam, I am funded since last October with TOPSTEP. I took out a few $1,000s last year from TOPSTEP. This year only $350, and I lost basically everything in March, so I had to start all over to rebuild. And since we have some new people, I want you guys to see some of my funded accounts, not all of them, but at least maybe I mean, this is one of my funded accounts with Apex. I blown, by the way, my funded futures funded account 2 weeks ago, so I'm trying to rebuild that. So this is a Apex funded account. This is another Apex funded account. I only have $221. These are almost fresh. And this is another Apex funded account. Let me show you. I have $119 only on it. So this is 3 funded accounts with Apex. I have a BULENOX funded account which has almost $600 on it. I have another funded account with BULENOX, more than 50K. But I'm a turtle trader, guys, and I've started to rebuild all these accounts. I have a TOPSTEP funded account, which I only have $1,200, $1,258 on this TOPSTEP funded account. So I'm building very slowly because I'm a turtle trader. I'm trading with micros on the funded. I only go crazy on the evaluation accounts. So, but yeah. David, good morning. Take your profits today and close the computer. Yeah, I'm not trading the funded accounts today. That's 100% sure. That is 1,000,000% sure that today I am not touching my funded accounts. I wonder to control greed under 5% monthly. How long does it take to gain experience? Because you need to trade maybe less than 3 times a week. Very much patience. Print to leaf, it takes, it's not just a very much, enormous amount of patience. Enormous. But I treat it as a business, and it takes an enormous amount of patience. A lot. A lot. Yeah, it's better to build slowly. So, guys, when I make about $100, just an example, or maybe more, like $200 on one of my funded account, so I'm stopping with that particular account. I'm moving to the next one. So, again, let me repeat that. It's very important. If I make $100 or $200 on a 50K funded account, I'm stopping, I'm moving to the next account if I even take a trade on the next one. And I'm going very slowly. And yes, I calculated, most likely my first payout, if I can make it there, would be at least at the end of June or maybe early July. It's gonna be a long road. After that, hopefully, as I gain more experience and everything, it should be better. So Tom, so does Apex take out the monthly activation? What? Monthly activation free from your profits or from the card? From the card. From the card, never from the profit. I asked this and I know this. Only from your card. There is no other way to settle the activation fee. And I know because I asked this. There is no option to take out that. You can choose the monthly activation, Vivian. You can choose $85 monthly. So I always choose the lifetime activation fee because if I would choose the monthly, for example, with 10 funded accounts, that would be $850 each and every month just to have my funded accounts. And that puts an extra pressure on me. I activate lifetime, which is $140, and I can keep less stress, you know, continue with less stress, takes off the pressure. I can do whatever I want, and I like the lifetime activation. So you gotta trade daily, but not essentially with your main big balance account. Yeah, I mean, some traders are usually copy trading 20 accounts, 30 accounts, whatever. I think that is insane. I know some YouTubers made it and made money. Congratulations to them. They're awesome. But I can't do it. I can't. I tried it. I mean, not with 20, but with a few. I tried with 3 and 4. And I just can't handle the pressure yet. Hopefully experience will teach me for it, but I can't handle the pressure. The maximum I can copy trade mentally, which which I can still go with, is 2 funded accounts maybe. So no more. I can't, because if I'm on a losing streak, if I'm in a, which is going to happen all the time, losing streaks are going to happen. I would not be able to handle emotionally if all my funded accounts would be on the same losing streak. That would be very bad. I just can't. I can't do that. I can't. You don't have to actually trade daily. Most of these prop firms require you to flip your accounts once every week. So I have a protocol for that. I use a copy trader to connect all my funded accounts, and I used to take at least one trade with one micro. Of course, not just random trade, but try to be a good trade with one micro and flip the accounts every week. So it's not a huge deal. Oh, sorry, I was thinking of TOPSTEP, which is okay. Yeah, TOPSTEP is one time. Everybody has one-time activation fee. Apex has the monthly. Yeah, Apex has only the monthly version right now. Just a second. I'll be right back with you guys, just handling a quick phone call. Push the like button and subscribe. Sorry, everyone. Just family. There's gonna be it's gonna be open until 1 p.m. I think. Void. I think it's gonna be open until 1 p.m. Let me check. Should be open until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pum, ba-da-dum, pum, pum. Very choppy. Yeah. Yeah, no problem. It's very choppy, so I don't really expect anything special. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fix a drink for myself, and I'll be right back in a minute. So don't go too far, I think. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, sorry guys, I'm here. Where's Tom the hater? What is happening? Okay. It seems like we're going for that fair value gap, right? Yeah, most likely. How about we try to take a trade going for that 903. How about that? I can try to go for that 903. I'd like to see that happen. You guys can't see it, right? Oh, this is it. This is what I took. Balance. Is this it? Yeah, it is. Let's see if we can get it. Done. All right. Hopefully we will get. It's just a scalp trade. Nothing special. Should be okay. Come on. Come on. Almost went there. Almost got to 900. Was so close. Man. I thought we're gonna get it. Man. I thought we were gonna get that. Do it. Come on, just do it. Alright, there you go. How much was it? Alright. At least a few points. So we're going for that gap. And what's above that? We have the 931. So I still think it's bullish. Should be going into the order block. And the high of the order block, 34 would be the ultimate target. 934, but we would need a structure with the displacement and stuff like that to go for it. Let's go. Please guys, if you can, help out the stream, push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget the 90% discounts are running out this week, this month, so stack it up. And not just that, if you can or want to support the stream, look after these codes because these are awesome. Also, don't sleep on the My Funded Futures deal. 30% off from the expert account. All the freedom you need in trading with a brand new expert account, new customer, up to 30% if you use the code. Activation fee included in the price. So very good. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-bum-bum. By the way, online safety, you called it right again. You said there's going to be a long trade somewhere like 15 minutes before the open or something like that. So again, you made an awesome call there. Well, let's see if we can do something. You're long from 870. Dude, you're awesome. You are awesome. Man, diamond hands there. Good trade. Diamond hands. All right. So I guess this trade turned out good, but previous day high was, what was the high? 926. Should we go with that? 926. This is the 1 minute. I don't know. Look at that. It's going to leave a fair value gap, so if it retraces back down, if you want to take a shot on this one, then 926 is the way to go. Wow. 04, 07. Could be good. How about I put in a limit order at 0475? I have a feeling we're not stopping until 26. Also curious how we're doing on this chart here. Good. Very good. Hey Patrick Patton, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Awesome. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Hopefully we'll get to the place where we want to go. Let's go, everybody. What is happening? Adams Lopez, thank you for subscribing on the channel. Stay tuned, guys, because giveaways and everything is coming this week, so I know I said that last week. I'm behind schedule because of the website, but it's coming. All right. Giving away 50K evaluation accounts, so stay tuned. Okay, I got filled on this trade, so I should be putting a stop loss on this one, right? I don't know. If I put a stop down there, could be reasonable, but yeah, 25, maybe a limit order at, I would be happy with 23. So that's where I want to go with this trade. Let's go. I don't know what's happening, but despite that, the market should be slow. Maybe, just maybe. Christian Camp, thank you for the subscription. I would like to see the 926. Actually, let me show you guys what I'm thinking here. there is an order block. If you go to the 1 hour chart, there is an order block on Thursday last week. This is a 1 hour bearish order block, and I'm going to repeat myself as many times. These order blocks are usually good targets. So look at what happened. It got mitigated once, went down, and on Friday tried to go back into the order block, failed. So right now I think it's going to make one more attempt to go into the order block. I think it's going to try once more to get there. So that's my analysis. I'm going to stay bullish for now on this one. So let's go back to the trade. I'm gonna try to take profit before that, and let me check if we have some orders stacked up there at those levels. On NQ there are some orders above 15 and 20, so should be having some movement up there. Should be having some movement. And don't forget it, guys, whoever is new, the 250 BULENOX account with a 90% discount, does this also apply when activating the account? I don't know that. Adams, that is a very, very, very good question. I have no information. I did not receive email for the activation fee. I don't have. I wish I could be having some information. That's why I'm not really saying. So the BULENOX also lowered down the 250k account, so you can have BULENOX with the code TOM250. I mean, worst case scenario, I don't know. I'm not sure. I forgot to, because I just realized it today, and I forgot to wrote a message to support, and no confirmation right now. I wish I could tell you, but I don't know. But yeah, Adams, I wish I could help you out, but I don't know. But the thing is, guys, BULENOX also went into the race with Apex with the 250k account, but the problem is the activation fee, because almost $900 the activation fee at BULENOX, one time, lifetime, and I don't know if there's a discount or not. So anyway, you can still get the 250k account from Apex. Yes, 900. The activation fee at BULENOX. Here you go. BULENOX activation fees. The 50k account is $148. The 250k account is $898 for lifetime, which is super expensive. So I would say if any one of you guys are going for BULENOX, go with the 50 or the 100k. Even the 150k is a little bit more expensive, but the highest I would go with BULENOX is the 100k account, right? So yeah, 900 is a little bit strong in my opinion too. Yeah, it's a little bit high. So yes, they have maybe they have some kind of a discount, but I have no information yet. I know information from support. Maybe they will answer sometime today. I'll shoot them a message. Also, just saying, everybody's sleeping on the MyFunded Futures account, by the way. But the expert account, if you're registering with MyFunded Futures, for example, a 50k expert account, which has the activation fee included, no consistency rule, no withdrawal cap. So whatever you do, you can do. I mean, not exactly, but news trading is still there. But you can get a 150k account for, a 50k account for $115 per month. And the activation fee is in the price. Also, Take Profit Trader, the code is down there somewhere, 40% off, $102, including activation fee as well with Take Profit Trader. Just saying. All right. I'm still looking for that 926. If it wants to go higher. I already told you guys what is my analysis. If it goes down, then so be it. But unfortunately, I think there's a chance, because the 5 minute still has a fair value gap down there. There's a chance that this one is going to just take me out. And by the way, if you want to stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, push the like. There's going to be giveaways and new announcements during the week. So I'm still bullish on this one. I'm going to stay bullish. Wow, somebody subscribed. Actually, Pedinty Sandy, thank you for the subscription. Oh no, guys, I'm gonna get taken out from this trade. So sad. Maybe I'm gonna jump in once more on the 5 minute. I'll give it one more shot. Yeah, I'm gonna be out. Actually, I made some profit on this account, so I'm not really that sorry about that. I'm still in a slight profit, but I was really hoping for that 926. So let's check out the 5 minute. If I put a fib tool here, well, yeah, I'd like to say that the optimal trade entry should be right around here. Well, not here, but going down to 89 at least to the golden level. I'm still bullish on this, so I'm gonna be bullish, that's for sure. The linear regression channel is also pointing up. You're short on NQ 916 because I think people will sell off and go take. Oh, well, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Wish you good success. And actually, that's a good plan. I like it. I do like the plan. What a plan. All right. What about stop loss catching strategy in this strategy? Like so many traders just hit stop loss here. So sell now for a quick scalp? I don't know. I don't know. I'm really not sure. Actually, because if I look at the 5 minute and the 15 minute, I still think it's bullish. So I know what you mean. Like a lot of stops has been triggered. So now sell off could be incoming. That's true. It depends on your bias, you know. My bias is definitely bullish, and it's gonna stay bullish because of the order block, of the 1 hour order block. If you look to the left, so I'm not gonna take a short. I'm gonna stick to my bias for now, and I need more confirmation to enter shorts. It can go down, of course, even more, but you know, I need more information, more confirmation for this one. I would like to see the 926, which is the low-hanging fruit from yesterday's high. Was it the 926? Let me see. The high was, yeah, 26. I want to see that level first being targeted. and then into the 30s. But gotta be careful. By the way, TOPSTEP also gives you guys an additional 20% discount on the current price. If you register for a new account, use my link, register for a brand new account, you get an additional 20% from the current price. So that's also a good deal. Yeah, I mean, this is just my personal opinion. Everybody has different opinion, because I can go on with a bearish scenario too. For example, just like you said, we swept some liquidity on the 5-minute here. There's a gap. Never really revisited the midnight levels or the Asian lows, so that's a good target. If I go to the 1 and 5-minute, if it forms a structure and breaks it, I think there's no stop until 835. But as I said, I still need more confirmation before that. It can be difficult today when it's no volume. Yes, it is difficult. It is difficult. So that's why I'm saying, you know, just make sure to do your analysis correctly, have a plan, and, you know, I also have this entry model here, which I'm going to paper trade only, because I'm testing out this method. This is just paper trading. The other one I'm going to do, which you guys see, one account is an evaluation account. So yeah, banks are closed. Absolutely, yes. That's why low liquidity, print to leave. Yes. It was a nice short from the top. So if your strategy is like taking out a gap and then go short, that's also a strategy. So you just have to go and backtest and look for what is interesting to you. On my end, if I would like to go long from here, you know what? I might jump in to a trade from here. So I just went long, and that's it. Maybe it's a bit of a long shot. I'm still bullish. If you ask me why did I go long, or maybe wrong, is because of that the 5-minute went down. I took the recent swing, and that's that one right there. We went down to optimal trade entry at 61.8. I'd like to see this recover and go to take out previous day high. If it's not gonna happen, that's okay. Unfortunately, it seems like it wants to drop, and that's okay by me. I can live with that. It's just an evaluation account, so don't have to be stressful about it. Waiting to see what it does at 72ish before bullish or bearish. Yeah. So I just went in with this trade based on the 5-minute optimal trade entry, looking for a liquidity run to yesterday's high. If it breaks the daily low, I mean, that's not even the daily low, but basically the New York low pre-market. Yeah, UK closed as well. Yeah, on the 1 minute it definitely showed some easy entry. So I'll wait for it. Maybe we'll have something good. Yeah, it absolutely used to. Technically almost in the silver bullet hour. Volume point of control is 77. That very well could be. So either way, at this point, it should be dumping like crazy, or should be pushing back higher. I mean, it has to go. If it starts to push here, there's no reason for me to believe that it does not want to go into that order block. Point of control is basically where the most transactions happen, the most the price range where most of the transactions happened. There's a point of control indicator, like a lot of versions, but most likely the kind of price range where most of the transactions happened, most volume kicked in. Not enough volume to dump like crazy. Yeah, could be. I'm gonna wait this out. If it dumps, then of course that's gonna be a loss for me. But if it does, I don't know which targets to go with. Really no idea. Then I think I would have to go, if it drops all the way down to the 840s at least. And that will be something I might try, but I don't know. And I'm waiting for a paper trade based on this indicator. Yeah, choppiness could be kicking in, guys, so be careful. No trade zone, yeah. You know, if you want to play it smart, you definitely wait for some volume to kick in. These levels, if price is just slipping down, there's no stopping. It can just slip down, you know. Easiest maneuver is straight shoot up and straight shoot down. This with Heikeneshi, nice one. Hello, Greg. The construction is still going. So yeah. Just waiting. Should be okay. Just my thoughts, but I'm not surprised if NQ end up near zero, but I think it's more bullish. I was as I was saying, I would like to see Nasdaq to try to hit that 1 hour order block right here. I'm going to show you here. 1 hour, I mean bearish order block 1 hour. That would be great if it would go up there. Once been mitigated, so price should be breaking through. Will it go there? We don't know. I'm just waiting for my paper trade. Am I still in a trade or something? What is going on? Yeah, I'm in. I mean on another chart, but I'm not. Okay, I'm just in this one. This was perfectly a good way of money. Careful, we're under VWAP on 1 minute, still holding. Yeah. Gonna be on a watch with this one. How do you find previous day high? It's very simple. For example, I used to go out to the 1 hour and I put a horizontal line to, for example, Friday. I don't care about Sunday. So on my system, Sunday high is equal to Friday. So because Sunday was limited hours. So Friday midnight level is Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Friday midnight Eastern Standard Time until Monday. So this is the highest point, previous day high. I just put a line there and put a line there. Previous day high, and this will be previous day low down there. That's how it is. That's how simple. And we have the midnight open from today. Very, very, very simple. You held runners too long, bro. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. What do you think about Lilo? Oh, never heard of it. First time I hearing it in my life. Lilo. Fancy name. That push-up was good. Yeah. Another thing, US stocks are overvalued. Yeah, I agree with that. I think it's a little bit overvalued, the whole stock market. Silver and gold are high. Yeah. Let's check on gold. Okay, it's going up. Even Bitcoin is going up. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Interesting times for sure. Very, very, very interesting times, if you ask me. Very interesting times. Yeah, your dog is named Lilo. Okay, so somebody stole your system. You should claim some copyrights on the Lilo system. Darn it, look at this. I think it's just gonna... The way it looks like right now, it looks like it wants to dump. It looks like it wants to dump. Hopefully I'm wrong. Slim Trade, there is no code. Yeah, so it works like, and it's actually you don't even need a code. If you're registering for a brand new account at TOPSTEP, you can get the 20% for your first purchase. I'm just saying, if you want to, or you could support the stream, you can click on my link. There is an affiliate link somewhere in the chat or down in the description. You can click on the link before registering or before purchasing the account. That supports the stream. I'm just saying you can get an additional 20% if you're registering for a brand new registration with TOPSTEP. If you already have a registration with TOPSTEP, you're not going to get, if you already purchased accounts, you're not going to get the 20%. So it only works for brand new registrations right now. For example, 150K, it's like $149. You can get 20% off, which is a good deal. Absolutely. Hey, Joanna Israel, thank you. Joanna Israel Tehran, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. But don't sleep on the My Funded Futures deal as well. Expert account with no activation fee. So TOPSTEP has activation fee. Don't forget. My Funded Futures, no activation fee. 50K account for $115, which has the activation fee in it if you register as a new customer. No consistency rule, no withdrawal cap, no whatever. Oh yeah, if you get the TOPSTEP X, that is for $19. I'm not sure if the sale is still going on, but if it is, that's good. You're welcome, Slim Trady. Simple lower volume, small time frame, yeah. What's the drawdown? On this particular trade, I think I'm risking like $110 or something. Not anymore, no more sales, all right. And blue over my funded futures. Oh yeah, max drawdown. The max drawdown on the expert account is, hold on, because I have two different types of things here. Let me check it. I'm gonna check it right now. I know I have it somewhere here. I'm not even sure if there's a static pro still. There should be. So it looks like on the expert account, the maximal drawdown is 2K on the 50K. On the 100K, 3K, 150K, 4.5K. No daily limit. End of day drawdown. No activation fee. It's in the price. And the starter account has an activation fee of $149. So that's the thing. So if you apply the coupon code, even if you are already a customer, it's still cheaper to go with an expert account. Anyway. I trade full-time A&M machines. I have several funded accounts, but I'm still aiming for that payout. I took out several $1,000s, few $1,000s from TOPSTEP. This year I'm pretty much behind. I blown up several accounts in March, so I had to rebuild everything in April. And I'm still very slow on my new funded accounts. But I'm building funded accounts with all of these prop firms and even more. This week I started out with Take Profit Trader 2. So it's a progress. It's a progress. It will be a progress. And look at that. This trade is just going against me. Ezt nem értem, miért csinálja József. Lehet, hogy nem aktiválták. No way, no USA, no UK. Yeah, no volume, slow day, exactly. Best price, best upfront cost for a newbie is definitely with Apex and BULENOX. I would go with Apex, 90% off for the first month. The rest of the month is, the recurring months are 80%. For a newbie, a beginner, I think your first purchase as a starter account is $50 at My Funded Futures too, or you can go down to $40 at TOPSTEP, but Apex should be the cheapest one, $16 for a 50K account with intraday trailing. That's what I would go with, because it's more than 99% is the chance that you're going to blow the account anyway. So the chances are extremely high that you're going to blow the account. I'm sorry to say that, but this is reality. It's slow day, yeah, it is, and it will be a slow one in the silver bullet hour, but yeah. Nice that you're honest with blowing accounts. I mean, Christian, what can I say? I blown in March. 2 weeks ago I blown my Funded Futures account. Now I'm working on a new My Funded Futures account. But hey guys, if you are curious, because I noticed we have some new viewers here, I can show you guys some of my funded accounts. So as you see, this is a PA Apex account. I only have $376 on this one. I don't want to show all the accounts because some accounts I trade differently. This is another funded account at Apex. I only have $221 on this. So these are fresh because I worked a lot to get back some of these funded accounts. So I have to start all over. This is the third Apex account funded, only $119. So I'm very slow. This is a BULENOX funded account, also 50K, $574 in profit. Another BULENOX account, which is funded, $50,232, and there is a TOPSTEP Express account. I have $1,258 funded on this TOPSTEP account. So I'm slow. I know I'm slow, and I have a few evaluation accounts here and there which I'm trying to make some extra profit, but honestly it's hard. Honestly it's hard. Best piece of advice for newbie? Yeah. Trade small. Small size. And try to reduce the number of trades. And journal if you can at the end of the day. I know sometimes it's hard, especially if you're going to lose. I mean, you are going to lose, that's for sure. I lost as well. Everybody loses, even the pros. So when you are losing, journal it down and buckle up, because this is going to be a fantastic ride. Trading is the best thing out there, guys. Trading, I love this shit. I mean, I really love it. This is one of the few things in my life that I'm super passionate for. Slowly wins the race. What's your trading strategy? How long trading already? Ryan, I'm trading since 2022, but longer than that. But let's just say since 2022, I'm taking trading seriously as a business. I'm trading actively since 2017 to early 2018. But back then, in 2018 to until the pandemic, I lost my personal money. I did not trade with prop firms. I lost a lot of money on Forex brokerage because I was an idiot. It wasn't the market's fault. It wasn't the broker's fault. I lost a lot of money on Forex. And in 2022, 21 actually, but 22, I started to trade with prop firms. Back then with FTMO, with Audacity Capital, and yeah, it was, I was doing a lot of stupid things, and my first regular payouts came last year from October, from TOPSTEP, and I went to futures last year, October, and since last October, I'm only trading with futures prop firms. Maybe I will try Forex prop firms too, but I don't like what's going on with the Forex space, so I'm staying with futures for now. I'm not saying I'm not going to trade with Forex prop firms, but patience, don't rush in. Exactly, Christian. What's your analysis? S&P 500? Well, we can take a peek on it. S&P 500. Here's ES. Oh my God, S&P 500. Look at this. This is the 5 minute of S&P. Somebody pulled the plug. This is something I would not touch, absolutely. But if I go to the 1 hour, I would also like to see, I would be saying I'm bullish. I would like to target these levels up there. But I highly doubt that in this half session, it's going to break higher. So more than likely, S&P is not going to do anything. The only hope we have is maybe NQ will try to pop higher for that previous day high, which is from Friday. But right now, as I see it, it's just going to go down. So I'm going to get prepared for a loss. The account you guys see is an evaluation account, so I'm not exactly concerned about that. I rarely trade funded accounts on Monday or Friday. This is how I do, especially not on a day like this. So don't trade on your fundeds on trade like this. The market is dead. Thank you, Ryan. Hopefully saved anyone from going long. Yeah. Do you had any payout? Not yet. Not yet. The only payouts I had is from TOPSTEP. There's a video about it, which I made in my videos. I only made payouts from TOPSTEP, and from this year, from February, I'm trying to build up more accounts. I blown up accounts in March, and that was a very big emotional hit on me. So yeah, it took a toll on me. So I'm right now, that you see right now is my second phase of recovery, or what they say, part 2, or or round 2 of recovery right now to build up more funded accounts. And you know, guys, the months are just flying. Time passes so fast. All-time highs. Rich folks are taking profits. Yeah, we've been bullish for over year. Yeah, straight non-stop. Thank you, print. Thank you, print, to leave. We are still in the choppy area, yeah. So the only thing I'm hoping for is maybe NQ try to go into the order block up there. Otherwise, I don't know. If it breaks lower, there is some target still at the 840s. I heard last week that today would be a market holiday. Yes, it is. It is. Markets are open until I think 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't really want to push it further than 11 a.m. If we don't see volume kicking in, maybe there's something coming on until the lunch hour, but I don't know. What is your logical reasoning behind your strategy for trading? Well, I trade smart money concepts. I know ICT, blah, blah, blah. Yes, I know ICT, but I would not say that I'm particularly like 100% ICT trader, but some of those concepts, and I would say smart money, because first time I got introduced to smart money, it wasn't by ICT, it was by a totally different person, and I try to use those concepts in terms of, you know, you just have to say you just have to determine where is the draw on liquidity. Where is the draw on liquidity? If you know that, if you can anticipate it, for example, here on the 1 minute, 1 hour chart, sorry guys, I can't speak today, then I would say that we should be going to revisit the 1 hour order block, and that's why I'm staying bullish. That doesn't mean it cannot drop down like crazy down there, but I was really hoping that since Friday it failed, we could see it go up again. I'm really hoping for that. If you guys like what I see, or if you guys think I'm pretty and everything is cool here, and maybe I should get a new haircut, then please push the like and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out. We're gonna have some giveaways as well. So that was the commercial. Thank you. I passed 40 evals from Apex, 10 eval from... Dude. Of course, why can't you pass TOPSTEP? Dude, you're killing it. You're killing it, Farhad. Congratulations. Congratulations, man. That is awesome. You know what? I'm gonna do an intro video soon, like, you know, in a world where a trader who doesn't know actually he knows some stuff calls out levels, Nasdaq, S&P, who cares? Hot tub videos, t-shirts, eating chicken and goulash, maybe KFC. One time, only for everyone. Tune in. Rated R. I'm gonna be finding a background music for this intro, all right? Anyway. Hey, RP Media, what's going on? What is happening? What is happening? What are the disadvantages of funded? I'm going to tell you the disadvantages. Lot of stress. No, but actually, disadvantages of funded. Well, you obviously have to play by the rules of these firms. You know, every prop firm has different rule sets, and I'm not saying to put all your eggs in one basket, but you have to decide which. Yeah, Hollywood, here you come. You have to decide which prop firms are suiting best to your trading style. So you have to look at payout policy, some rules for news trading or whatnot, micro mini conversions. I mean, these are good examples. Activation fees, stuff like that. Consistency rules, which I don't care about. So these are all very important. Exactly. FlexiTrade, I heard about them, but I never looked into them. I heard the name quite a few times, but I never really looked into them, but heard about them, yes. Yeah, you can't just transfer money out from the account. You definitely have to reach some profit by the rules. But otherwise, prop firms are a very good vehicle in terms of generating some leverage and definitely earn some money. I logged out from Quant Tower, then back and position opened. What? Maybe it was open all the time. Maybe you can check. Sometimes, you know, when an order is left, for example, I always check my orders. Do I have an order left open? Because, you know, when you log out, some orders could be triggered. Make sure sometimes to check on your orders list. But if there were no orders, then there was a glitch, maybe rhythmic. They get 90% off also. Yeah. You're welcome. Bum, 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 bum. And honestly, guys, maybe some traders tell you that I could not be here without the help of you guys, because I'm not making enough money from trading to make a living. And maybe some online YouTube traders don't tell you that, but unfortunately at this point I'm not making enough payout to make a living from payouts, not yet. So if you guys would like to support the channel, please use my goals my links. Henry K, Maurice, thank you so much for subscribing. Good to see you. Thank you. So I made more money from affiliate commissions. I mean, not a whole bunch of money, but the only way I could do this full time here. I'm here every day, guys, every day on London and New York, but I could not be here without the help of you guys to use my codes and links. That's it. So I'm always grateful. I could not do this full time without that. How long have you been trading consistently every day? Since last, consistently every single day since last September, October. I dedicated myself to the YouTube around September and October, and I'm doing the channel as well full time, absolute full time. So I had a side income from a small business. And since the 1st of March, I'm doing this full-time, absolutely full-time, but only because of your help, because you make it possible. That's it. Tell us more stories about trading. Oh, wow. Trading psychology. All I can tell you is about the pain. Oh, yeah. So let's talk about the pain. We have to. I mean, you have to get to a point. I mean, it seems so easy, you know, to make the profits. You look at it, oh, I'm just gonna push a button and I'm gonna make tens of thousands of dollars every month. First of all, you need to have like proper expectations from your trading, right? Like, you cannot expect to make thousands of dollars. Mathematically it's possible, but you cannot expect to make thousands of dollars, like $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 from one single 50K account per month. It can happen for 1% person out of at least 1,000. But most likely you're not going to do that. So have normal expectations. Okay, that's important. Thank you, Slim Trady. Thank you. I'm not sure how much you make from affiliate links. Which platform link do you get the most income? If do not, sure, of course. So not many people are talking about this. I'm testing Quantaro Trade Copier. Yeah, I'm using Quantaro Trade Copier. Do you have any issues? No, they are fine. Absolutely perfect. Know when to hold and when to walk away. Exactly. Know when to. So just to answer briefly to your question, Kimo, and I have to tell very short information. In my country, in Hungary, people make around $900 per month to make a living. So I said to myself, if I can make more than $900 or $1,000 from affiliate commissions, then I can do this full time, hopefully, right? That's one thing, okay? Before I tell you exactly what's going on. Another thing, there are business costs. So the money comes into my account. I do have to pay tax, okay? Don't forget about it, because you have to pay tax. I do pay for activation fees. I do pay for evaluation fees. I do pay, not too many, but I try to pay more giveaways. I have some expenses. I do pay my rent, and every other I have a mortgage as well. So just to sum it up, I need to make at least the bare minimum just to get by is at least $1,800 or $2,000 per month. So if there's nothing on the sideline that can provide me that, that I'm risking my whole livelihood to do this full time. So the answer to your question, last month I made more than $3,000 overall from affiliate commissions, and from those $3,000 I had to pay almost $700 to tax and some money to running fees for anyway, and rent, mortgage, living, gasoline, fuel, all those stuff. And I'm doing this full time as a business. Methodical Man, in his video, he shared he made 6K from affiliate commissions. And as far as I heard from other streamers, Nadibar makes about $20,000 from affiliate commissions. Patrick Wieland most likely makes about 50K from affiliate commissions monthly. I don't know, but I'm here every day. I'm committed to the channel. And the goal is to turn it around. I want to make more money from trading, like affiliate commissions, because these affiliate commissions can go away like this one single snap and it's gone. And trading is different, because if I build up the skill set, if I build up multiple accounts, I can balance that. So the goal is to have it from trading, because that's the goal. What books you were reading? I was reading Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone, and the Disciplined Trader. Focus on the process more than the P&L. That is very good. Trading like a bot, very good. Have you had any experience with bots? Yes. I would never trade with bots because the market is constantly changing. And let's face it, on retail level, there is not going to be a successful bot that is going to make you successful or making you profits on the long term. I lost a bunch of money with trading bots, not now, back in the years. I am not going to put my money on trading with bots. Not for now. I'm not saying never, but I'm not going to trade with bots. I have Trade Manager bots in MetaTrader. I was using it in Forex trading. But that's different, okay? As if you want to gain more subscribers in short term, why not trade in India markets? That's a completely different thing. And also, Prop firms don't really let you trade there, but I get it. Some other people said that too, and you didn't did it being honest, so those were non-pressure sales. Yeah, stop being greedy. Understand that 500 per day is more than a teacher's 500 per day is more than a teacher's annual salary. I'll need about an hour a day. I'm not greedy. I'm absolutely not greedy. I'm just saying, like, there's a lot of tax and a lot of expenses that have to be taken out. My hobby is driving a car, playing video games, a lot of video games. I like shooting games, A&M machines. I like to play PUBG and Counter-Strike, but I have to tell you, I am terrible in it. So I'm the first person who got shut down. So if I have some friends, we go with PUBG, we shoot around. I'm the first person who got shot. So I'm terrible, but I still like it. Okay. Thank you, Tom. I have been here for a while. I have been supporting it. Thank you so much, Camo. Thank you, thank you. Mark Douglas is good. Man, this will add up. I remember Methodicon claiming he's already about to make 7K a month. Wow. So maybe not. Nutty Bar is making 20K. Yes. Patrick Wieland is making like way more than that. I think Patrick Wieland is making like about 50K per month, 40, 50K. That's the minimum he has to make. Even more. Because he has some exclusive deals. Yeah. You're welcome. Looks like we will break the downsides. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I'm still holding this one. I like golf, by the way. I like the concept of golf. Trying to play with pips. Yeah. And by the way, guys, again, thank you so much for anyone who was supporting me. Because, for example, from a $16 purchase, I get like, I don't even know, $2 or $1.80, whatever. I don't even know. But those $1 and $2 adding together, let it be Apex, BULENOX. Okay, My Funded Futures pays more if you purchase a bigger account, but those are really keeping me on track. Thank you again. Thank you again. All the way to the top. No wonder Nutty tells people to shut up if they dare to speak against prop firm. Hey, interesting thought. But how to get TOPSTEP affiliate? Isn't it? Yeah, it's invite only. If you have a social following, they're going to check your page, your progress, and stuff like that. And you have to apply at an account manager, and they will give you a backend access. That's how it works. Yeah, you don't have to be like a super huge fan base or something, but have a regular progress. They have to see that you're really regularly trading, putting out content, stuff like that. Yeah. My neighbor is not cutting the grass right now. It's not cutting the grass. He did it 3 times last. I mean, right now he started at the beginning of the stream, but he shut down the lawnmower, so I don't know what's happening. I'm getting confused. Yeah. So, yeah, being an affiliate for these prop firms definitely needs you to grind as much as you can online, of course, to promote them. And best, of course, is also to use them. So I trade all of these prop firms, all of these, and I'm talking from experience as much as I can, even though I'm still fighting for payouts. And the new prop firm that it's not new, but I'm going to take them on is Take Profit Trader. So I do have a code for them as well, and they trade day 2. It's down there in the description. Close to getting out of drawdown on this trade. It's not over yet, and you know what? I'm actually considering to close it because I have a feeling that it's not gonna go anywhere. If it goes into a slight profit, I'm just going to close the whole thing. Nutty Bar was Brookie who changed his life just off from starting YouTube like last year ago or so, and no one thought anything of him, and now Ahmed doesn't even need to trade. This is inspiring. I'm in a trade. I'm in a long position. This is Nasdaq with 3 micros on an Apex evaluation account. Nothing serious. I'm looking for, this is Nasdaq, I'm looking for price to enter into that 1 hour order block. Otherwise, I think it's not gonna go anywhere. There's a 90% chance that price action is gonna die out at the end of the hour. So price action is more than likely to vanish away at the end of the hour. So, oh yeah, definitely hoodies. Do you not rely on income from trading? Oh yes, I do. I want to. As I said, I had multiple payouts from TOPSTEP, but I was on a losing streak in March, so I blew some accounts. So the goal, guys, the goal. And of course, I like social media, I like to build up this community, but the goal is to definitely raise the income from trading much more than affiliates. But let's just take one example. And now, I like Patrick, by the way, but Patrick Wieland said multiple times that he makes way more money from affiliate commissions than trading. And he's proud of it, by the way, just saying. He said that he doesn't care about what anybody's saying, because he makes way more, like tons of more money from affiliate sponsorships and commissions than from trading. People who funds those accounts, do they know the trader what? Well, these are demo accounts, as you may know. These are not real money accounts. Yeah. Do you know when was the blown date? Let me check the live video from. Oh, it was not live. It was offline. It was in March. I made a video, but it was only, I made the video about my evaluation accounts. But in the same month, it was with the funded accounts too. So I was talking about it in one of the live streams. I was very down, but I could not tell which one was it at the end of March. But I made the summary as well. It's up there in the YouTube videos. It was a technical error on my end, and I continued to mess up with my funded accounts, so it was a carnage. I was so down emotionally in the early April. It was super hard to be here on YouTube live. So I had to be here, smile, and have a fun time. But inside, I was super down. My whole April was like a struggle. Has your first endeavor into the online world and affiliate marketing been in the... yes, exactly, in the trading space. I was actually a part of an MLM company, but it was years before. Back in Facebook, I was part of a group, but that's a completely different thing. So I tried to do a few other stuff in online marketing, but it was years before. Trading online causes much anxiety and second doubt. Yeah. Tom, what do you need to do live stream? Well, you need a computer, a webcam, a microphone, and that's it. My microphone cost me $17. This one is the cheapest microphone, $17. I have a maybe $15 webcam, and my computer is an this is an old computer, an old gaming computer, and that's it. And I have 2 screens. I had 3 screens, but I couldn't really fit them here, so I have 2 monitors. Don't ask me what kind of monitors, I have no idea. I have 2 monitors here, and I'm not a computer geek or whatever. Make an Amazon affiliate link of your gears. Maybe. I don't know, but I have no idea what kind of computer I have. Only thing I know is my graphic card is a 2070 Ti. Yeah, maybe. Hold on, I'm gonna check something here. Okay, nothing. So, actually, guys, I'm not sure if this one wants to go all the way up to 24. That's gonna be like 20 points move. Maybe the smartest move would be for me to take it to break even like this. Right here. And hope for the best. Because if it goes down, I just don't want to be in the trade. So the only way I choose this one to go break even, because again, if it trades below these levels, it's most likely gonna take out the swing low. I just don't want to be in it. NQ is going your target high. When you're very nice. Nothing? What? Thing. I used to rank micro each size, yeah. This is the 4th leg. Nice one. Yeah, you missed it. So yeah. Anyway. I'm optimistic. I have some plans. I have some ideas. We're gonna push it, you know, and that's it. We're gonna grind. We're gonna push it. We're gonna do this together. We're gonna reach those payouts. We have to. Lateral pullback, yeah. So this is the hardest part of trading. Stick to your plan. Exactly. I am definitely gonna keep grinding. I learned this from the one con man, America guy. What is his name? Oh, I don't know. Who we talking about? What? Back in the days, it was like in 2011 or 10. I don't even know. There was a guy from Asia. He was called Henry Liu. Henry Liu. He was a Chinese guy, and he was marketing with a forex course to make 1 million from $10,000. So I got carried away and I got lured into the course. I had to pay like, I don't even know, $500 or something like that into the private mentorship. And so basically it was all about taking trades on a $10,000 account. So I started to go with a $1,000 account. And the guy actually made it to $20,000. And I made it to $2,000 as well. And then he blew the whole account. and he disappeared. The website got deleted and everything. We broke the chop zone to the upside. Yeah. Tom, how long have you been using ICT or smart money? Well, I would say I got introduced to smart money in 2022. And I don't even know. 2022. But I'm not sure about the anyway, but it was order blocks. I was trading with order blocks, so it was an order block theory. Can you teach us how to do those plans for trading? Clarify. Well, I would say, first of all, you should study some entry models. And, you know, after that, maybe, I mean, I'm not sure what kind of plans you're referring to. What really does it take to become profitable? Oh, a lot of patience, a lot of patience, a lot of commitment, tears, pain. Did I say a lot of commitment and passion, and a lot of commitment and discipline, and a lot of commitment and pain? And more pain. And if you all have that, a little bit more pain, emotional pain, that is. And if you get through all those, then you will know what to do. So it's like when you're burning your hand on the stove or whatever, you can burn your hand once and twice. The same goes for trading. If you blow your accounts once and twice, it's not gonna happen again. I mean, hopefully you will learn from your mistakes, right? I went back and watched your first video. No. Don't watch it. Thank you, Brendo. Look at this. We're still going higher. I don't know for how long is this gonna go, but if it can break the 900, we can go. Close was the last candle to size in fully or at once if you want to take this long for easy money. Yeah, maybe. 10:35 1 minute candle. You can see the volume spike. Yeah. So there's many ways to skin a cat. You can trade so many different strategies. Really? But hey, yeah. It will be definitely good to look back someday. Definitely. You got out of the OTE entry? Yes, I think let's look at the 5 minute here. 5 minute. OTE entry was somewhere around here on the 5 minute. It's not super accurate, but that was somewhere around the OTE entry on the 5 minute. So far it's going higher, but I have a bad feeling about this because it seems like that it's slowing down. So what I might do, guys, I'm just gonna close down too, and I'm gonna close down too and have the rest of it go on, because honestly it is slowing down. It can very well just go back. So because I had a loss earlier, I don't want to lose more, so I closed some. You missed this long. Oh yeah, I was, but I don't mind. It's a slow day anyway. Lots of good traders that have been trading for years. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oh, I was waiting for this call. Just a second. I'm here. I'm sorry. Just the usual phone calls. Let me see the questions. Take it on your account. What kind of action are you thinking about? Rookie. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. I'm not really trading. I don't even think I have dollar CAD. I don't trade Forex, so I have no idea. No. Dollar CAD. This is dollar CAD. On the 1 hour, obviously it broke lower. I think it's gonna go lower to 36.24. It's very close on the 1 hour, so it is definitely bearish. It should not be the bottom. I would not go long here, but obviously since I don't really know what dollar CAD was doing previously, it has some very nice swing lows here waiting to be taken out. I would be careful with the longs. And because volume is super slow, look at this. Careful with the longs. It could be slipping lower for 10 points. Otherwise, I really have no idea about dollar CAD right now. But let's hope. Actually, I'm going to close it. I closed my trade. But obviously, we should be going for 26. And thank you for subscribing, Yo-Yo 2075. Thank you so much. Sorry, I was on the phone. Thank you for subscribing. Gorgeous price action. It's going Tom. You missed it. No, actually, I took some partial here and then here. And obviously, I think we should be going for 26. But I was a chicken. I was a chicken. So I exited. I was a chicken. I don't care. Great price action. Yeah, it was a good one. But, you know, it could have played out slowly as well. So while we're trying to grind higher. Obviously, the low-hanging fruit and the target is the 26. So 10 more points. Just be careful to jump in. If you guys want to jump in, let me go to TradingView. Because if you guys are jumping in to this one, you can also end up going sideways before breaking higher. So it was very, very strong movement to the upside. Definitely have to wait for it. Look at the Top G's favorite candles, the Heiken Ashy. Beautiful, beautiful. Could be going down. Very strong movement up there. Could be seeing some slow movement here. Oh, crude oil. Well, by the looks of it, at first glimpse, I would not touch it. I would not be touching it. Look at it. A total crapshoot. Oh my god, it's terrible. We have a buy side at here. 78.66. I think it's gonna go there. It's long. It's a long position on my end. It's very close. Maybe good for a one-to-one scalp. For crude, it would be obvious to take out some stops at 78.66. So that's the level from last Thursday. Very close. I would be staying bullish on crude. I mean, I'm not really trading it, but it's a good question, obviously. Great patience. Yeah. So push the like button, subscribe. This week is gonna be awesome, guys. This week is gonna be awesome. So tune in. Don't miss out the giveaways and more. A lot of good stuff. Moves to take liquidity, yeah. At least on this account, it's a green day. Hey! Hash trade channel, thank you so much for the subscribe. What is happening? I'm having subscribers, which is awesome. And there are some days and weeks when I don't really have any subscribers. Thank you so much for joining. We're moving up, boys and gals. We're moving up. So don't sleep on the My Funded Futures deal as well. Just saying. And take what you can until Thursday from Apex and BULENOX too. And take Profit Trader, don't miss out. No activation fee, $100 for a 50K account. Instant daily payouts. Can't wait to build up the account with them. But as always, I always try to go aggressive on the evaluation accounts. Because today you are talking the truth. Do you really think so? Is that why? I'm talking the truth. Because today I'm talking the truth. Interesting. But yeah, I appreciate that. Oh, I have so many truths to tell you guys. You guys would not imagine this stream would not be enough even if I would stay here until the PM session. Now it's decisive candle. Yeah, I mean, that's why I said be careful. There should be some profit taking before 26. That's why I decided to exit the trade. Small tiny fair value gap here. Not sure if it's going to be enough for support, but could be an area to enter for one more push to 26. The low hanging fruit is at 26. And you know what, guys? I'm only trading with micros, so you don't need minis. You don't need mini if you can make $100 or $200 or $300 with micros. The market is closing, I think, at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I'm not 100% sure. So, how do you know where to draw those support and resistance lines? Well, this is only based on the fair value gaps, so it's not a classic support and resistance. But if you're talking about this line up here, I'm going to show you the 26. So this is yesterday's high, but it's more into it. This is a fair value gap here. If I zoom it out on the 1 minute, this is a 1 minute chart. You will see that this level here on this long body candle, which was the 11-hour 1 minute candle, the next candle after that didn't go down here, didn't reprice this level. It's a classic ICT concept. Didn't go down here, so the fair value was not offered here. Here the 03 candle went down, fair value was offered, and then started to act as support, which means positions could be accumulating on these areas, and we should be or could be seeing one more push to the upside to take out the liquidity. Now let's go a little bit higher. This is the same chart, just on trading view. Let's go to 5 minutes. So this is the 5 minute. You see yesterday's, which is actually Friday. I'm not counting Sunday right now. Friday high right here at 26. Okay. And let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart. What do you see here on the 1 hour on Thursday? This here, which I marked, this is a 1 hour bearish order block. The order block starts at 931. The body of the first bullish candle, 931. The order block has been mitigated once here. Started to drop. On Friday, market wanted to go back into the order block but failed. Not enough volume because it was already PM session Friday, blah blah blah. Anyway, right now it starts to build up more momentum, and I'm super bullish. I am super bullish that the target is not 26. We should be reaching above 33 at least, which is this is the wick of that candle, because we have to offer a fair price in this gap. Anyway, this is what I think. I'm not saying it's going to happen today. It might be happening tomorrow or after, but you're welcome. Fair value gap or grab gap. It's a gap. Understand? I don't understand. Can you explain in full with logic behind? Yeah, sure. Why not? Let's go one more. So this is the 1 hour chart. Let's take this example. On the 1 hour chart, this was on Friday, okay? Nothing happening here anyway. So let's go to Friday, 1 hour candle. The 10-hour candle on Friday is a nice bullish candle with a big body boner candle, right? It's like a boner candle. So huge body, and there you go. After this closed up here, it was such a huge impulse move to the upside. The next candle obviously started to move higher, but these candles did not went down. Oops, hold on. Come on, what am I doing? Okay. So these candles left a gap. Which one is a gap? The gap starts from this candle, the previous candle before this boner candle, the high of the wick, which is here. So from here all the way up to the candle at the 11 hour, the down point, the lowest point of the wick. So this area right here, where more buyers came into the place, but sellers were not really able to, you know, participate in this price movement. This was such a fast and impulse move that, you know, sellers could not really come in here, so fair price wasn't really offered to them until this candle at 3 p.m. came in with the long wick. It poked into this gap and took up some orders here. So fair value was offered here and then started to go up again. Hopefully it might deliver higher, but let's go to the 1 minute currently we have here. The last 1 minute candle here offered the same concept here. This 1 minute candle was a boner candle, and this one didn't go down. So the first candle was the 11:03 Eastern Standard Time candle, which went down. Fair value has been offered, and at this point, sometimes, not always, but these kind of gaps are acting as kind of a support, which it does right now. Which means orders are stacking up here, ready to push it one more time to a designated level, which in this case is a buy side level inside the order block, because up here in this huge gray area there is a 1 hour order block filled with orders, hopefully stacked up leftovers, which price might want to reach for and take it out. So as you see right now, price is pushing perfectly to the 26 level, and hopefully we will reach there. Where would the stop loss go? I would say it depending on your take profit. So for example, if you enter here on this gap anywhere on this support area, for example here, and on my, your take profit should be, I usually take profit a few points or ticks before that, the low hanging fruit, which is the 26. So if my take profit is at 26, I like to go with at least a 1.5 or a 2 point risk to reward ratio. And I like to search for some swing lows. I don't want to go down all the way here for some swing lows. So that's why I said this trade is a higher risk, lower probability trade. But even if you go with the 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which you can see right here, the risk reward ratio is 2. You know, I would say for a safe stop, you can put it for here or maybe 1.5. So somewhere around here. A little bit above 900, because if it goes to 900, then most likely it can go down again, okay? So this would have been the trade. And that's how simple. That's how simple. Boner candle. The boner is when, you know, I have someone else explain it. You know, a boner candle. It's an expression when, you know, when you have an erection, basically. When you have an erection, that's a boner. So look at this. Huge erection candle here, aka boner candle, sorry ladies. And then should be pushing higher. But that's just a phrase, don't use it. Strong push up with a huge body, that's it. Forget the boner expression, all right? Delete it. That's just a funny expression, all right? We have lightsaber candles too. I learned that from Methodical Man. This is a lightsaber candle. If I zoom it, this is a lightsaber. Yeah, that's this candle at 950. That's a lightsaber. Anyway. We have another lightsaber candle right here. Look at it right now. I'm funny. All right. So this is the boner candle, and this right here is the lightsaber. That's not a perfect lightsaber, but who cares? So boner candle. All right. Thank you. No worries. May I ask why you didn't enter based on? I didn't enter because of my risk management style. I made a very good trade here, entering, where did I enter? I don't even know. Oh, here. No. I don't know where I entered. I think here. Yeah, here. I entered here at 953 on this trade. I was babysitting this trade until I took partial here. And I closed the whole position here. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. Emotional decision. But I usually don't really like to hold these trades for too long. So I made a good profit here and partial here. And I said to myself, all right, you know, markets are not open. Anything can happen. I made my day. I don't want to give back to the market on another trade. So that's why I said to you guys, in many occasions, close to these kind of significant levels. Even if you see a setup, you enter. It can actually happen like, price is trying to push like this, trying to push almost there, and then boom. I've seen this like so many times this is happening. Because obviously bigger players as well wants to take profits. So many times this happened. I don't want to be a part of this chop fest here. I don't want to. If this was such a nice move, so I decided I want to get out. I don't want to be a part of this thing. That does not mean it will not go up there, but you have to have the patience and the gut to hold the trade. And I'm just a chicken, I told you guys. That's why I am right now. I'm not going to do that again, okay? So I decided to exit. Not exit, not even enter, re-enter the trade. That being said, I think it's going to go to 26. But would you have entered if you didn't? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, Ryan. Maybe I would have entered if I would have missed this move. Yes. Yes, exactly. Exactly. And this is based on emotions. So I made it good. I want to end up this account, this session, with the good emotions. So if I would lose this trade, that would put me in a bad emotional state. And I don't want to be like, hey, I made $100, but on the last trade I was greedy and I gave back my $100 to the market. And that puts me in a negative emotional state and it builds up bad habits. So why would I want to build up bad habits? I don't want to build up bad habits. But if I would not have had this trade before, and even if I would lose this trade as my first trade, I would say that, okay, I tried, I failed, that's good. But it's even a better emotional state because I did not make the stupid decision to give money back to the market, especially on a slow late day like this. If my trade is going good profits, I'm not letting that go into drawdown. How do you manage those emotional with revenge trading? It's super hard. Do you trust? I trust BULENOX. Yes, Simon, I trust BULENOX completely. I have my complete trust. That being said, if BULENOX pulls the rug, don't come complain. Don't come complain to my channel. All right? I told this to you guys many times. Don't put your eggs in one basket. BULENOX is a prop firm. You see their link or logo up there. It's almost like Apex, exactly the copycat of Apex. So if it fails, don't complain. I always say that prop firms can come and go. I like to trade with at least 4 or 5 prop firms in my portfolio because, guys, I love prop firms. I do get affiliate money from them. That's true. They help me to provide the living, yes. But any prop firm can pull the rug any month, okay? Just take it in consideration, diversify, and that's it. Diversify your accounts. I have accounts with all of them. If one of them goes down, so be it. On to the next one. All right. But I trust these companies. These ones I promote, I trust them. I think I pretty much researched them. I think they're okay. No issues. All right. Future prop firms are definitely more reliable than Forex prop firms. Yes. Yes. The time right now is 11:21. Let's see. What I'm gonna do right now, guys, if you can help out the stream, I would greatly appreciate it. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to manually insert an advertisement because ads keep up the YouTube revenue too. If you see an advertisement, please don't click through it. Just watch the ad. You can even click on the ad, and that helps out the YouTube channel. Okay, so ad is incoming. 3, 2, 1. All right. What time is close? The close is gonna be what time is it? I think 1 p.m. 1 p.m. I have mostly time during London session and trading for FX only. Would you say it's possible to trade? Yes, of course, Ryan. Of course. Sweet Al, thank you for being here, by the way. Of course it's possible. What is the difference between futures and Forex? Mainly nothing. The charts are pretty much the same. Price action is pretty much the same. The good thing is that they're not messing with the spread and with the commissions and everything. So it's regulated, so everybody sees the same price in the market to the tick. So no messing with the spread or with the price or, you know, stuff like that. It's more reliable, you know. Look at that. We're going for that 26. Actually, it's gonna be the round number of 26 coordinates. It's gonna be 26. All right. Do you have trading times? I watched a few ICT videos back then, and he talked about market open and sometimes. Yeah, I mean, I usually trade from the London kill zone, usually from around 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I come back to the New York kill zone from around 8:15. So the kill zone is from 7 a.m., but I usually come back to New York session around 8:15-ish, plus minus, but 8:15 to all the way the AM session. I try to be here for around 11, maybe sometimes until lunchtime. I mean, more reliable, I mean that according to price, according to the prop firms and the brokerages, especially all the wild things going on with, look at that, 26 booked, thank you so much. And most likely, you know, they're not playing tricks on you with the price. I was trading on CFDs with Forex prop firms and I couldn't trade because of the huge spread. It was so hard. So I don't want to do that. Boom. Yeah. YM has better chance. Or go along, I guess, the 5 minute. I'm not trading with YM, but I know some of you guys do. I don't know. It seems bullish, but I have no opinion on YM right now. Definitely looks good. Anyway. Yeah, spreads are effing you up. CFDs are impossible. Yeah, very hard to trade those. Guys, I really enjoy this session. And honestly, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. Usually, my New York streams are having like 20 viewers or 30. That's the maximum. Like I have like 30 viewers in New York. And now I see 100 people. I don't know if there are some bots here or whatever, but I'm very happy that we have 100 people here. I'm super happy about that, and thank you so much for the subscriptions, really. My goal would be to push the New York sessions on the stream, so if you guys would like to come back next time as well, I would be very appreciative and I would be very grateful. I'm very glad that we had 100 people here in the session. Never had 100 people in the New York session before. This is the first day, so we're making history. Hey, Richard! Végre egy magyar streamer. Richard is from Hungary too, I think so. Köszönöm szépen, hogy jöttél. Keep going, yeah. So, I don't know what happened, but thank you. Ryan the Third, or I don't know, I hope I said it right. Thank you for subscribing. Hello, Richard. Üdvözöllek. You know, I'm from Hungary, guys, and I'm very grateful to have more and more people popping into the stream. Thank you so much, guys. I have a Discord membership too for $10 a month, but all I can tell you is right now my Discord is pretty much, gotta be honest with you, it's a little bit dead. But I have made it to support me from being here in full time, but I share my entry models, I share educational stuff. We have some good members sharing charts, but I'm gonna be updating some stuff there too. And yeah. Anyway. I forgot what I wanted to say. I never had 100 viewers in New York session. This is the first day we're making history. So thank you very much. And don't sleep on the deals, guys. Apex, BULENOX, 90% ending on Thursday. And my funded futures, 30% off from expert account. And so on. Take Profit Trader. Come on, guys. Awesome deals we have. So, anyway. Trade Day also have a coupon somewhere down there. It's case sensitive. Anyway. What I wanted to say, I totally forgot. Man, I'm a little bit dizzy today. Markets are going to be closing in 1 hour and 30 minutes. I think the move has already happened. We still have one more chance to pop higher into... I live in Kecskemét, Richard. Kecskemét. Most Kecskeméten lakok. You guys don't understand anyway. So I don't live in Budapest. That's the thing. But all right, let me delete this. All right. Yeah, apps. I trade smart money concepts, but not exactly the way like ICT. So let me just add that, apps, because I'm not exactly 100% using ICT concepts. I already trying to carve out my own way. So, but I do see some of those concepts working out, but yeah. Istanbul, hey, welcome. You live in the UK 13 years, Richard. That is awesome. Yeah, I mean, you know, guys, you know, after some time, wherever you learn or get those crumbs up to upgrade your trading style, at the end of the day, the goal is to have your own trading model, your own trading setup. You know, you have to find your own way. But I did pick up trading from, and it was not even ICT at the first place, as I said. In 2021, I learned smart money concepts from a totally different person, and I was only learning order blocks. Nothing else, just order blocks, order block theory, up and down. So, and then in 2022, I started more ICT stuff. But yeah. Do you only enter based on... No, I enter on the 5 minute too. 5 minute to 1 minute. Most likely on the 1 minute, but sometimes on the 5 minute too. Because of day trading, you know, more setups. Kicsi a világ, yeah. Exactly. Guys, this is awesome. I'm so happy for everyone. Please do subscribe and follow. There's going to be a giveaway. Because we passed the 2,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna be doing giveaway during the week, so it's gonna be awesome. And what else? That's all. And I'll be here tomorrow in London session from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you're long on YM. Be careful, everyone. You know, guys, the market is gonna close. Actually, what I wanted to say. Oh, okay. I think this is going to be it for me today. I had a great time. I'll be back in tomorrow London session, so don't miss it. Subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'm gonna call it here. Markets are closing anyway, so if you would like to support the stream, because I'm still not at the point to make a full-time living from trading. London Open, yeah. Ricsi, a Discord igaz, hogy 10 dolcsi, de nagyon el van most hanyagolva, csak mondom, az inkább supportra van, és köszönöm, ha csatlakozol, de még kicsit a content eléggé el van avulva, de örülök, ha jössz, majd látod. De a többet, szoktam beszélni a többiekkel, többet, meg csapatot építünk, tudod. Alright, so London Open, I'll be here at 2 a.m. So London Open is at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I'll be here from 2 a.m. As usually, I'm here every day, guys. So you can expect me here every day because this is full time for me, alright? I'm not going to wait for market to close because obviously we cannot expect anything else to move here. So Javier, thank you. No, it's gonna close at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 1 p.m. Not now. 1 p.m. We still have some time. At a discount. All right. Use the discount codes if you would like to support the stream, and thank you so much for being here. This was an awesome session. So many people. I'm actually grateful. Short day. Yeah. Short day today because of Memorial Day in the US. So thanks so much. I'll be back tomorrow, full throttle from tomorrow, okay? And we're gonna trade the funded accounts too. Today we had some fun. We had some good talks and hope to see more and more of you guys tomorrow. Check it out. Thank you, everybody. Have an awesome day. Love you all. Be back tomorrow, all right? Take care and don't overtrade. See you guys tomorrow. Cheers, everyone.